Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I just want to do some more things just after the header. So I'm just pressing enter and just creating a new div. Okay, and what I'm just doing here inside this header, first of all I'm just creating a class of container. Okay, again the container, but right now I'm not creating the container or fluid of container. Well, maybe I'll change this later on. I'm confused on the fluid or without fluid, by the way. According to the design we will change this or no, whatever. So right now I'm just creating the column md8. Okay, duplicate this should be 4. Okay, the first one is the left area, the main area, and the 4 is the right area and the sidebar. I'm just going to the 4, the column 4, and then here I'm just creating another div. Okay, and what I'm just putting inside this div, I'm just creating a class here. Oh, I'm just creating an ID because what I'm just creating here is not a part of the bootstrap. That's why I'm just creating the ID to clearing that every ID is not a part of the bootstrap. It is a part of the our own style. So by the way, here I'm just typing description or the post. Okay, now save and go inside the post and create the h1 here. Okay, so what I'm just doing inside this h1, I'm just typing. I can type anything whatever I prefer as a text, as a heading text. For example, I'm just typing that science is going farther, whatever. So now go to the browser to check the result. I'm refreshing this and science is going farther. Okay, whatever. Going to the notepad back and actually I'm just creating another thing, the p tag for the description. Okay, and there I'm just creating the class of lead. I think it will be good. So there I'm just typing uh, nowadays science is, oh sorry about that, spelling mistake, science is going too fast and achieving its new, wait for a while, a pause. Now this is a way, sorry, to insert a semicolon. This is a preferred way, the entirety. By the way, it's targets fastly. Okay, something, or I think everything is just far from us than a single click. Okay, now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see the text here, and then what I need to do, I'm just clicking on the notepad back and actually there to the post I'm just going to the style.css. but there is a little problem that I decided that I'll just make an ID to clearing that I'm not using the bootstrap, but the problem is that I have to use the post multiple times. That's why I'm just creating this clause, because this is not a general rule to create ID, same IDs, use same IDs multiple times. That's why I have to do that. So there I just created the post, and then what I'm just doing, I'm just simply creating the border, and the border I'm just creating at the button. Okay, 1px solid and black. I can put any color, but I'm just putting the black right now. And now this is the border I just created, looking perfect. What more I'm just going to do, clicking on the index.html, and then just after this single line or the p tag, I'm just creating another one, and inside this p tag I'm just typing, for example, 15/1 2016. Okay, now next, the author name I'm just typing here, the Larry. Now save, and what more I'm just gonna do is going to the browser to check the result, refresh. Now I got this text and looking really perfect for me. So what more I'm just gonna do is I'm just clicking on the notepad and clicking on install.css, but before doing that I'm just creating the a tag here. Okay, because definitely it's a link to get the full post covering this one. And then what more I'm just doing is I'm just going there. Oh, wait for a while, I have to go there, and then I'm just typing v r and dot 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 dot, VR means I'm just clearing that this sentence isn't completed now. You can see that the science is going farther, everything is clear. I'm just clicking on the style.css, and actually you know that when I just got the a tag, so the color has been changed. So definitely what I'm just doing, dot post a, so there I'm just typing, sorry, not the background, just the directly general color should be black. I'm just putting black. I can put the gray as well. Refresh now. This is the gray, the black color looking really perfect. What more I'm just doing, I'm just going down just after the post and a, and the hover is stayed. I'm just adding the color as the, again the maroon, as I just put it as the top one. Refresh now. Hover the mouse, looking really perfect. Some more things I'm just gonna do is, first of all, I'm just going there, and actually what I'm just doing, the text decoration, underline, save and refresh now. Okay, sorry, I just need to remove the underline. I just put the underline instead of removing. Now that is looking really perfect. The other thing is, why not I just put the font weight bold if it's applied. Now it has been applied on the text where I just want, so looking perfect. So now just going to the notepad back and clicking on the index.html, and what I'm just doing more is simply copying the whole post, pasting and now saving and refresh. Now I got the thing which I just want, looking really perfect and in the way which I just want. So for the next step, I'm just gonna clear up this area, okay, and the fluid is looking perfect. If I just apply, instead of fluid, just directly put the container and refresh, now it's actually getting a lot of space, so the fluid is perfect. Refresh, and now that is perfect. So guys, we'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.